We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, driving down Ocean Boulevard going northbound. And this is in October. It's a beautiful October day. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new to our channel and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. We've mentioned before, October is our absolute favorite month at Myrtle Beach. It is beautiful this month. Gorgeous weather, low crowds. It's just an amazing time to visit. Always, we give the time that we film this because people are always asking where the people are. If we film when it's really packed, it takes too long to do the video. So this is 10:30 in the morning. So that's why you don't see a ton of people out yet. And I know some people will say, well, that's not early, but on beach time it is. Myrtle Beach tends to get busy from about lunchtime on, and the later it gets, the busier it gets, especially on Ocean Boulevard. It's a beautiful day today. You can see the ocean over there. It's gorgeous. Perfect weather. People ask about the water temperatures. We do have a video on fall weather at Myrtle Beach, and the water temperatures in October a lot of times stay warm enough for most people to swim. It just depends on your tolerance. But the air temperature is not always a comfortable temperature to swim. Today it's plenty warm, the air temperature, but yesterday it was cool. It was in the 60s, so you just don't know what the weather is going to be like. Varies day to day, but most days in October are really, really nice weather. Got some really big shells out there. Compass Cove and the Sandcastle, excuse me. And you'll notice almost all the hotels have vacancy signs now. We're past that season where it's all no vacancy. Although that one almost looks like, no, that says vacancy also. So yeah, we're definitely getting into the sort of the shoulder between the summer season and true off season. We're right in between. Things are slowing down a little bit. That's what makes it a great time to come. I mean, unless you prefer, I know some people really like the liveliness of it being fully packed and crowded, but we are not those people. We enjoy the off season. We enjoy the lighter crowds. It has nothing to do with what's going on this year. We just have always been that way. We just enjoy it when it's a little less crowded. We love the summer too. That's what's so nice about Myrtle Beach. Great place to be year-round. We even love the winter here. You're going to get a few really cold days, but most of the winter is fairly mild. We filmed going southbound on Ocean Boulevard earlier in October, and it was the bike rally week, and there were definitely more people out then than we see now. And it was only an hour later in the day. It was filmed at 11:30, so a little later, but not much later in the day. So the guy on the bike, they do have bike lanes on both sides of Ocean Boulevard. It's a great place for biking. Ocean Boulevard, in addition to all the hotels you see, if you're new to Myrtle Beach and don't know a lot about it, they do have a lot of entertainment. There are a couple of putt-putt courses along here, although there are a lot more putt-putt courses on Kings Highway, Highway 17. We have a video of that drive as well, which I will link above and in the description below. But you definitely... oh, and there comes Family Kingdom up ahead as well. But there's definitely a lot of entertainment here. Family Kingdom's a good example, and also we have a video on that as well that I'll link below and up above. It's a fun amusement park, and you can pay either by the ride or get like wristbands to ride, you know, for the entire time they're open. They do have shorter hours this year, so always check their calendar. But then of course when you get down to the Boardwalk area, you've got the Skywheel, you've got all the Ripley's attractions. There's multiple Ripley's attractions. I'll point those out when we get up to them. There's other extreme rides that are down near the Boardwalk. There's many restaurants all up and down Ocean Boulevard. And again, even more restaurants on Highway 17, Kings Highway. And it is over that way. So you just cut up that way to get to Kings Highway, and it's also called Highway 17. There's Highway 17 Bypass, which is the big highway that's out on the far side of, say, Broadway at the beach. But Kings Highway, Highway 17, that's the business side, and that's where all the gift shops, restaurants, putt-putt courses, just tons of stuff on that road to do. There's Family Kingdom. And then this is the water park that did not open for 2020, but normally that park is open, and you can buy tickets for that over at Family Kingdom when it is open, but it did not open this year. I would guess most of these big towers all have vacancies right now. There's a shot of the ocean over there. Bar Harbor. Another view of the ocean. So also in this more southern end of Myrtle Beach, you've got some of these low rises, especially on Second Row. This side of the street's called Second Row as opposed to Oceanfront. And so the crowds tend to be a little lighter. There's Wicked Tuna and the 2nd Avenue Pier. That's a restaurant with some amazing views. We have been there, but it was when it was a different restaurant, but the views there are incredible. If you've been to Wicked Tuna, leave us a comment and let us know how you liked it. There aren't that many full-fledged restaurants that aren't in a hotel that have oceanfront dining. There's Damon's at the southmost end. It was right before we started our video today. And then you have that Wicked Tuna restaurant at 2nd Avenue Pier. And then down at the northmost end of the main strip, you've got Sea Captain's House, which is also a popular oceanfront dining. And then there's a ton of places around the Boardwalk area, but that's more, like burger sandwiches, hot dogs, that kind of thing, as opposed to a full-fledged, formal restaurant. Now we're getting closer to the main Boardwalk area. In the distance there, you can see some of those extreme thrill rides. Oh, and here's Sharky's. And the Skywheel will be coming up momentarily there. You can start to see that. Still curious about this large piece of vacant property right here. It's a lot of prime real estate. Now we're up to the Boardwalk. There's the Boardwalk right over there. Beautiful, beautiful ocean. There's the volleyball courts. And then you've got Ripley's, believe it or not. One of the Ripley's attractions here, Peach's Corner. We've also got, coming up here in just a moment, oh, and there's Fun Plaza. That's an oceanfront arcade, and you can see the ocean from inside the arcade depending on where you are inside, which is really neat. That's definitely unique. And then the Gay Dolphin, which is a massive gift shop, multi-story. And you've got the Ripley's Mirror Maze, Ripley's Haunted Adventure, and Ripley's 5D Theater. And then here's another arcade. That's a different arcade than Fun Plaza. There's the Gay Dolphin, that large glass structure there. And then of course, the Skywheel. Definitely a great part of the Myrtle Beach skyline. And there's Plyler Park with that gorgeous statue. You've got Land Shark right here. That's right at it's a bar and grill, but it's right here at the Skywheel. And then over here is where you have some of these really extreme rides. That's quite the drop tower there. You've got one of those slingshots. That's definitely not a Carmen ride. Maybe a Brian ride. As always, the closer you get to the main boardwalk area, the more people you will see. There's Beach House, Bar and Grill. It's pretty relaxed today. Oh, actually, it's not open yet. They don't open until 11. And there's Riptides. It's got good views of the ocean as well. Olympic Pancake House. They are open. Here's the Tin Roof. And this little boulevard section, there's a Starbucks, BurgerFi, Bandito's Cantina. Here's some people enjoying the bike lane. Oh, it looks like he has an electric bike, maybe? Those battery assisted bikes are really nice, and you can rent them down here as well if you don't have your own bike. You can rent almost anything here. If you can think of it, you can probably rent it. You can rent beach chairs, umbrellas, you can rent bikes, bicycles, mopeds, golf carts, you name it. Anything you can think of, you can pretty much rent it here. Dunkin' Donuts, that's always popular. And there's someone coming out with their donuts, always popular. Beach Shop. So if you're wondering where all the gift shops are, as I mentioned, that Kings Highway, that's where you're gonna find a ton of gift shops. There are gift shops on Ocean Boulevard as well, just like the Gay Dolphin and many other smaller ones. But you're gonna find a lot more when you're looking for the Wings and Eagles and those kinds of shops. And then over at Broadway at the beach, you've got a Ron John's surf shop. So there's definitely a lot of beach shops and gift shops around. Also, we have a playlist that's about Myrtle Beach shopping, and we've got some upcoming additional shopping videos coming out. So I will link that playlist above and in the description below. There's the Boardwalk, Sunrise Motel, such a gorgeous day. Lots of people out taking advantage of it. We were out on the beach earlier and it's just that picture perfect weather where you're not hot, you're not cold. Like I have sandals on, it's not cold. It's just perfect. There's a mini golf right there. But as I mentioned, there's lots of other mini golf with all kinds of theming. That's one thing Myrtle Beach has tons of is putt-putt or mini golf. So many different courses, so much theming. You've got dinosaur theming, jungle theming, Peter Pan, Captain Hook theming. You name it, you can find it. They've got a lot of really cool courses here. And also, if you don't know, Myrtle Beach is really world-renowned for their real golf. So if you're a golfer, this is definitely a great place to come. Coming up here on the right is the Sea Captain's house that I mentioned earlier. And they have the ocean front dining. I'll try to get you a good view here, so you can kind of get a good idea of what a nice view they would have from there. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.